everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today you very rarely get to see my hair pulled up in a ponytail. It is today, and doing something different. Today I have my Supernatural Pan Interrupted update for you. It feels like forever since I have updated this project. This was started in August of 2018, August 19th, 2018. I originally started this with Amanda. Some other people have joined in. I believe I have a list of people down in my description box that have joined in. And it is all about the TV show Supernatural. We are panning a product for every single episode of every single season that has ever aired. So 15 seasons. It's going to take a lot, because most of the seasons have like over 20 episodes in them, usually around like 24 episodes, and yeah, it's a lot. But I'm moving right along. I'm going to be starting a new season, though I do have some from the previous season still going. I'm happy that I'm going to be starting a new season tonight. All right, let's get into this. Let's get into it. Rules basically were we started with 6 products. As we finished, like met goal, whatever on that product, we rolled it out, and then we rolled in the very next episode in line. And so it's always 6 products. All right, 6 is a very significant number in the TV show. If you've watched it, you understand. All right, let's do this. I cannot believe it. I cannot believe it. I had a holdover from season 3 that I have still been working on. It was for Time Is On My Side, and that is a doctor's that is obsessed with eternal life, youth, so on. So I put in the Exuviance Age Reverse hand peel and the hand rejuvenator cream. They actually work together. So even though it's technically 2 products, they work in conjunction with one another. I needed to get down to this red line right here. I am finally there. I did not finish it, but you can see all of my many lines on here. I'm very happy that this is rolling out. I do like the product, but I don't really use it much in the warm months because I don't need it. I get really dry hands in the winter, and that's when I use it the most. And of course, now that it's getting cold, that's when it's rolling out. I'll probably still be using it just, on the down low over here. It's just not going to be in this project anymore because that is done, and that closes out season 3. Yay! And I was like more than halfway through season 4 already, and like I said, I'm rolling in a product for season 5 this update, so very happy about that. Next one is After School Special from season 4, and that is about a spirit that's on the bus. The spirit has become a bully. He's kind of like trapped there, and he mistreats people and does very bad things. And I brought in the Bobbi Brown. It's a crushed oil infused lip gloss in Free Spirit because they're trying to free the spirit of this deceased person that is stuck there. So it just seemed logical to me. I was at this blue last time. Now I am down here at this blue. This is like my go-to lip gloss right now. I'm not wearing it right now. I'm actually wearing a lipstick, but it's very close in color. But if I'm going to wear a lip gloss, this is the one that I'm currently, this is my focus. So I think, given that progress, I think I'm going to have that done or very close to it by the next update. So, and I really like this. This is a wonderful lip gloss. I highly recommend. All right, moving on to Death Takes a Holiday. I chose the literal holiday theme, and I went with the Bath & Body Works Vanilla Bean Noel. This is the holiday edition of the body cream. I have not used this because it had been very warm, and I don't use heavy creams when it's warm. But now that it's starting to turn colder, I've already noticed my skin is getting drier, so this is going to get quite the workout. And I'm guessing I'm probably in this range. I have a weight of 186 grams, but I guess I'm about the halfway point on that. So that's going to get a serious workout here. Don't know if I'll finish it by the next update, but it's going to have some good progress. All right, next one. It's A Terrible Life. In this is one of my favorite episodes. I don't know why. I like the ones that have like weird twists or they're campy or whatever. In this one, the brothers actually don't know each other, and they're both employees for the same company on different floors, and the employees are all stressed out. If they make the tiniest mistake or think that they're going to make a mistake, it just stresses them out to the point where very bad things happen to them. And then they are no more. There's certain words that I just can't say because they get flagged, and we don't want that. So, yeah, that was all about like stress and everything else. So I brought in the Prime Natural Stress Relief Blend Essential Oil. It is gone, and I'm sad because I absolutely love this. It has undertones of like lemongrass, but there's other stuff in there. There's definitely some citrus in there. It's lovely, and I kind of want some more of it. So I may end up trying to purchase some more of that because I really enjoyed that one. All right, the episode Jump the Shark. I went again with literal because it's Jump the Shark. I went with the Revlon Color Stay Gel Envy in Card Shark. So I wanted to use this 3 times. It's still in the box. I haven't used it. You know, what you gonna do? What you gonna do? I've got loose hairs on me. I'm shedding like a dog. And the last one is the Rapture, when they ascend into heaven. And I chose the Heavenly Hazelnut soap. That is done. So I have 3 continuing on. I have 3 rolling out, which means I have 3 rolling back in. 3 is definitely a number in my life. I have a lot of 3s going on in my world. All right, so I need to roll in products for the next 3 episodes. 2 of them, it's the last 2 episodes of season 4 and then the first episode of season 5. So the last 2 of season 4, When the Levee Breaks. In that episode, Dean and Bobbi are trying to save Sam, who has been partaking of demon blood. It's been ongoing since he was a baby, to strengthen himself, and you know, they are concerned with his safety and other people's safety, so they lock him in order to save him. So I'm stretching this one a little bit. I am bringing in the Exuviance Age Reverse Eye Contour. It's an eye cream, and I'm bringing this in because it saves my under eyes by locking in the moisture. It's the best I could do. It's a really hard episode to find a product for, so that is the one that I went with, and my goal is to finish that. All right, for the next episode, the very last episode of season 4, that is Lucifer Rising. In this episode, more of the 66 seals are broken, in which when all of these seals are broken, then Lilith will rise, and Lilith is basically the devil's right hand, man, woman, whatever, or Lucifer, and it's not good. We don't want the seals to be broken. We don't want Lilith to rise up. So I have a product that actually has a seal on it. I'm going to break one of the seals in honor of the breaking of the 66 seals. So that this product is the Philosophy Mandarin Mimosa. It is a body, or glazed body souffle. I was going to say body, oh, that smells good. I was going to say like a body butter, but it's a souffle. I think it's a little bit lighter, but all right, I broke the seal. That is my link to that episode. And the very last one, first episode of season 5, is Sympathy for the Devil. In that episode, they are looking for a mythical weapon. So I went with that whole mythical thing, and I'm bringing in this palette. This is the Essence Fairy Wings and Magical Things, all mythical here. And I am bringing in Fairy Wand that was in another project that I think it was, this is Fantasy, and I was unable to hit pan on that, so I'm bringing it in, and I'm going to attempt to hit pan on that eyeshadow. It's very pretty, I like it, and I was sad that I couldn't hit pan on it before, so that is what I'm bringing in. I have my 3 rollover products, the lip gloss, the body butter, and the nail polish, and then my 3 roll-ins, which is an eye cream, this body souffle, and an eyeshadow to hit pan on. So, and I'm trying to break things and knock them over. That is my update for this project. Where's my brain? Definitely going to have everyone that has joined in down below. If you're doing this project and I don't have you down below, please let me know. I'm very out of the loop. I'm trying to catch up after like a crazy end of spring, all of summer chaos. So yeah, if I've missed you, I apologize. I want to make sure that people can find you. So put your deets down below and I will get you into my description box. All right. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.